We now have an extended lookback option for audience publishing schedules. When scheduling publishes for Geoframe-based audiences, you can now extend the lookback time to 6 months. This allows for increased scale when setting up audiences that update automatically. To use this feature, select your Geoframe-based audience and click Publish. Choose your destination, any extensions that you'd like. Publish type will be refresh, and set your frequency of update. Here you can set your start and your end date. Then set your lookback period. You can change this to months and scroll down to 6. In this example, the audience would publish to the same segment in the DSP every 30 days. For each new publication, the lookback time frame will bring any devices seen in the geoframes in the previous 6 months.